Hi, I'm Gwendolyn Sterk of Sterk Family Law, and I'm privileged to have Ben Stortz with me today of Cornerstone Services. Welcome, Ben.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks so much. Today we're going to talk about veterans because I have to tell you, I never associated Cornerstone Services with veterans, and what an incredible service you're providing. So can you tell us a little bit about the services that you're now offering to veterans?
Yes, so we're working with about 20 veterans right now. So we provide a wide array of services to people. The veterans that we're serving are veterans that are dealing with a mental health issue. Okay. And so many of the veterans that we're serving were homeless veterans that have served our country and now need a roof over their head. And that's where we've helped. We've helped with providing the housing to these veterans and then helping them with dealing with their mental health issues. We also see that some veterans have co-occurring substance abuse disorders too. So we're working not only maybe on mental health issues, but their substance abuse issues too. But we find a holistic approach to working with veterans has really realized great outcomes for them, and that we've really been able to help a number of veterans in our community. That's
fantastic, because I have to tell you, I think that on mental health issues, especially in recent times, people think that that's not an available service anymore. And I think that the real message out there is it still is, and there are places that you can go. So if you have a family member who is a veteran, are you servicing only the Will County area, or what vicinity area?
Yeah, we're based out of Will County, so we're just servicing the Will County, and the some of the funding that we receive has to be utilized in Will County. But we can connect people if they have a need, let's say out of the Will County area, to different continuum of cares. There's different entities like Cornerstone in different parts of the state that we can connect people to find those services.
Right.
We also work closely with the Veterans Assistance Commission in Will County, so we collaborate. I mean, I think that's key.
The key.
And that we're not just while we provide a lot of services, is that if somebody is in need of something, we can connect them to that.
And when you're in a treatment setting for either a co-occurring condition or a mental health condition, what better area to understand what is the outside needs that are required, right? I mean, it's not just, you're not treating, you're really looking at the whole person then, and not pigeonholed into just the mental health, because you can't solve the problems unless you reach beyond that.
Exactly. So not only, we've talked about the housing and the mental health and the substance abuse issues, but we're also working with people to access physical health. They make sure they're making it to their doctor's appointments. So we're also working with veterans in terms of employment. Maybe they need to have that resource, that support to go out and find a job, and that's where we can provide job supports to people to make sure that they are supported on the job and they find a job that fits them well. Yeah.
It's interesting because I think that a lot of people have this call. We understand the veteran problem, but we really don't even know where to start. We feel paralyzed in that process. Yeah. So anybody in this situation, whether you're a veteran yourself or a family member of a veteran who might need the services, can pick up the phone and call Cornerstone, right?
Call us immediately. We'll try to connect them with our services. If we can't provide the specific service that they need, we will connect them to other resources. And a great resource is the Veterans Assistance Commission too in Will County, if people need it. But if a veteran's homeless, looking for services or mental health services, we can help. So pick up the phone, call us.
And get that help that's needed out there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
And so moving forward, it is interesting because, again, I'm always saying Cornerstone was known as that disability facility. And I think that what we're learning through all of these tapings that we're doing, and specifically, is the veterans, the co-occurring conditions, mental health services, as well as the disabled. So what a vast array of opportunity that's there. So we appreciate your time today.
Thank you very much
for coming out.